What's going on, everyone? It's me and the gang. We're out here at the river. The fish we're catching today are phenomenal. What a good fishing day. Check out what we've been catching.
Look at this guy. He caught a bass.
I got a fish.
He caught a bass. Is that?
I'm so confused.
I can't even catch a smallmouth.
That's a fish.
It is a fish. It's a.
That is a fish.
All right, let's get him back.
He got another smallie.
You know how I'm getting it? Reeling in
You're making it swim.
with the shiner on it.
Would you look at that? That's a bass. He just dissolved into the water.
I can't even see him now.
Where did it go?
Keep going.
What was that? What was that? Oh, what was that? Was that a muskie? What was that?
Dane had a nice one right by the wall. That could have been, you know, it could have been a little musky.
I think I got one.
Oh my gosh, Nick. You got a crappie. Wow. There must be a lot out here.
Nice crappie. Move over, bud.
Look at this guy. I literally started reeling in and he came on. Wow, that's a big crappie, dude.
There you go.
Good stuff.
Found another fish.
It's all right, you'll get him. Fish on the bottom rod.
Got one, big dog?
I have one. It was going and then it stopped real quick. Or was it yours, Dane?
I don't know if that's
Look, yours is getting loose, dude. I think you got a fish on.
Got that one.
Yep, that's a fish. Fish on. I think so.
Nick, you want to give me that net?
Hold on. I don't know.
No, that's a fish.
It's a fish.
Dude,
Oh
you got
my
a...
gosh.
What? Dude.
Hurry up. Hybrid.
Hold on. Let me investigate. Dane, I think that's a white bass.
White bass.
I gotta investigate. Let's pull him up.
Okay.
Congratulations on your first white bass.
White bass. White bass.
That's a flathead, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my. It's here. It's here. Oh my gosh.
Watch out.
It's off.
What was it?
I don't know. I think it was a flathead. I'm pulling something in. All right. What fancy stuff did we get here? And where's my bait?
It's an alien.
Oh my gosh, guys, I caught lures.
Any of ours?
Definitely not ours.
Like any of ours?
We're going back to a high-low rig. Oh yeah. Hey, sauger. All right, big guy. Beautiful colors. Oh yeah, that's a fish on. Looks like a decent size too. Holy smokes, I think it's a drum. It is a drum.
It's a big one. I got some monster in there.
Jeez. Oh yeah. Nice. I'm about to run out of night crawlers if they keep taking my bait. I'm trying to catch bait. Hey. All right, big guy. There he goes. Oh my. That might be a carp. It's a freshwater drum again. Jeez, it took off. Oh. Oh my gosh. Two carp. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, big old catfish. Come on. Oh. Big old calf. Oh, we doubled up. Come on, big guy. It's a big channel. Trying not to force them, but my gosh, for a medium-sized channel, that thing is like strong as heck.
They are.
Jeez, come on.
I felt like that's about the same size. He didn't want to come in.
There he is. Excellent, thanks. That'll get him. That'll get him. What's up? Thanks.
What bait are you?
Just a night crawler. Woo! Thank you everyone for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. We caught some nice fish on this trip. If you like this video, like it, comment what you think, and subscribe for more videos. Remember to pray before everything that you do, and praise God. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.